I'm sure you've heard the news. Crack your knuckles today, arthritis tomorrow. But is that really true? So you crack your knuckles and suddenly, here comes future you, limping in like they just ran a marathon in flip-flops. Hilarious, right? But seriously folks, that popping sound, it's just gas bubbles bursting in the joint fluid. Scientists say it's harmless, no arthritis in sight. But hey, if it's painful or you're worried, see a doc. So go ahead, pop away. And if you had a laugh or learned something new, hit that subscribe button. Catch you later, Mythbusters.